Right, okay, we're at the CANTILEVER Chippie, said to be the UK's smallest standalone fish and chip shop. We've been to a couple of chippies where it's just a counter. There's nowhere to stand really, other than right there, one at a time. It's a shed, it's been there, they reckon, 90 years. And it's changed hands, done all kinds of things, but it's now a chippie and has been a chippie for decades. And I remember, because it's only a few miles from where I live, and I used to work around here. So landscaping and building for decades, I used to call in it here with the lads. Just never really got round to reviewing it until now. Let us know in the comments as well if you know of a smaller standalone chippie, little building like a hut like that, than this one. They'd be interested to know. We've got salt and pepper, chicken wings and chips. We have a hot bag in the back, a hot box, keep everything nice and healthy and hot. Let's go for one of these wings. Well, they're certainly tender enough. Now that's a good portion. We've got their large cod, some mushy peas, and some curry sauce. And they're medium sizes. Yeah, it certainly looks the part. That's a little bit heavy. But it's tasty. Let's try dipping a bit in this curry sauce. Take a bit of this batter off first. Curry's nice. It's a spicy one. They do a sweet one too. You may have noticed I've not got my condiment box here. It slipped up coming out. So, and I think with it only being a few miles from where I live, it was easy enough to not be as thorough getting the stuff together. I think that's what it was. Before I go on to the next bit, I'm just going to give these luminous green peas a go. Give them a bit of a stir, give them a chance. They're quite bland and a little bit damp for my liking, but right, what we've got here is there's salt and pepper fish and chips. So it's basically chunks of fish in salt and pepper. Give these chips a try. Yeah, they're nice. I don't think anything's changed, to be honest with you. I just don't know. The menu's more extensive. And if I remember rightly, there was an older couple or family that worked in there years ago, decades ago. It's going to be nice with some of that curry sauce on top of that as well in a minute. It was, it was building up. There's plenty of people in there. Staff were friendly, polite, happy. They were taking phone orders as well. And we're now at Victoria Park, which is a nice park, actually. It's a big park. It's got a running track and all kinds of things going on, a bit of a stadium. It's certainly a nice enough park, and it's probably, I wouldn't say half a mile from the shop itself. But okay, so it's back to the computer. I'm going to look at a few reviews. And don't forget, if you think there's something smaller in the UK, let me know. Standalone little building. Let me know in the comments, because it would be interesting to gather up all these little small chippies, because they're all important, they're all valuable. And this one, decades old. It's a bit of an institution in Warrington.
Let's have a look at some reviews. 1 star. Paid and ordered over £50 worth of food to be delivered at 6 p.m. Nothing arrived. Tried calling for over an hour, but no answer. Ended up driving down to collect the food myself at 7:30 p.m. Got home and the food was cold, had to put it in the microwave and noticed part of the order was missing. Never again. 3 star. Food wasn't bad, it was okay. Small fryer, and the prices weren't the lowest. 5 star. The thing I've found with chippies is that portion sizes are smaller than you'd expect. I often, because I'm greedy, order extra portion or a side sausage. Not here. I have done that and it goes to waste. Lovely chips and gravy, fish, a decent sized portion, so you don't need extras. If you do, they will be nice though. Mine, 3 star. This chippie in my hometown has likely been serving customers longer than I've been around, and it's still going strong, often claiming to be the smallest standalone chippie in the UK. Now that's as a building, that's not as a mobile fish and chip shop or something attached to a bigger building. It impressively delivers a great variety of food from its compact space. The large cod was a good size, and the fish itself was quite nice, though I found the batter a touch wet in places. The batter was a bit of a letdown, to be honest. The mushy peas were decent, but the salt and pepper fish and chips stood out. The breaded salt and pepper chicken wings with chips were also nice. There was something about it which just didn't quite make it, to be honest with you. But they did fall apart, they were tender, and there was plenty of chips to go with it. Parking seemed ample along the nearby street, but Victoria Park, less than half a mile away, offers plenty of parking too, and makes for a lovely spot to enjoy a walk. Cooking in vegetable oil. Hygiene rating 4, keep an eye on that. Cash or card. Fish reviewed. Cod. That's it. See you on the next one. If you like this video, subscribe, share it, like it, hit the notification bell, and if you have any recommendations in your area, put them in the comments. Thank you.